In this video, I will show you how to create clips from YouTube videos. Now, on a YouTube video, you need to click clip below here to start creating a clip from the video. And a video should be 2 minutes or longer to create a clip from it. And on this pop-up window, you need to enter the clip title, then set how long you want the clip to be by using this timeline bar, or even enter the time above here. And after that, you can go on to share your clip on your channel and other platforms. And if you go to YouTube Studio, then the editing page of the source video, you should be able to see the clip through this clips option. And as you can see, you can watch your clip on YouTube and also get a shareable link and a few other details about the clip. You can also create a short from it on YouTube app. And to delete your clip, you need to come to this pop-up window while playing the clip. Then you click these 3 dots and then go on to delete the clip. You can also go to your channel, then library, and then go on to delete the clip from there. Another way to delete the clip is to delete the source video, or even make it unavailable by setting the source video private. And if you want other people to start creating clips from your own videos, then on YouTube Studio, you need to go to settings, then channel, and under advanced settings, you can go on to allow viewers to clip your content. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on YouTube and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.